I can't find the sunglasses.
Meow.
Where's the carrot?
Meow. We're out of toilet paper. Meow.
What are you doing, you silly girl? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Come on.
Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel.
Oliver, come here. Come on. Come on.
Chain hang to my ding-a-ling. Chain hang to my ding-a-ling.
Come on, Trooper, let's go outside. Or stay there and pee in the house. You're bigger than me.
And this is why you make me laugh. Your head is so heavy, you must rest it.
Nice doggy. I like
Okay.
No, so maybe you're drunk. What do you think? Yeah.
Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
Anybody hungry? Anybody sleepy? Anybody highly overweight?
Run! It's a stampede!
You're gonna wake everybody up. Shh. Be quiet. Shh. Shh.
You think so? What?
Can I just pet you, please? Why not? Come on. Stop.
But like his whole body.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller.
Hi, I'm Dorothy and
I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch.
Ain't nobody fucking with my click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresh. Ain't nobody fucking with my click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresh.
Now I'm lying on the cold hard ground.
Looks like they're trying to take
I don't want to walk into a situation where all of a sudden they're ambushed when they're trying to help out.
Looks like they're trying to take
I don't want to walk into a situation where all of a sudden they're ambushed when they're trying to help out.
can you imagine if your arm was to fall out of there? Oh my gosh. No. I got it.
Is this what you want? I'm gonna eat it.
Helicopter cat. Meow. Helicopter cat. Meow.
Selfie.
I'm going for it. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, that was a close.
Head too big for you?
Just the kind of beat to go.
Hey bro, I'm going to get a movie. You want to come? No? What if I get our bud? Works every single time.
Alright, I'm ready to go. Alright, man, you ready to go? Oh, this is awkward. Go change. We can't wear the same.
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out.
Lick, 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 lick. Lick, 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 lick.
Okay, what you talking about? What you saying? What you want to do? Come on, let's see me say.
Carl, you want to go for a walk? Come on. Okay. All right. There we go. That's fun.
Charlie, you got the babies? No, be nice to the babies, Charlie. Ah! Charlie!
What does the fuck say? What the fuck say?
High five. High five. Oh, almost.
To infinity and beyond.
Baby cookie.
Nailed it.
Show your wiener. Jackson, show your wiener. Jackson, show your wiener.
Trying to take the cat for a walk.
Hi, sweetheart. Are you supposed to be standing up?
Stevie, what did you do?
Hands up. Bang! Good girl.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
And the petty goes to who the celebrity got.
From the east to the west, from the north to the south, Bo Zoom, put that little tongue back in your mouth.
Rómpele su madre. Le duele la cabeza. Te duele la cabeza, güey.
Okay, I think you've had too much.
Something tells me that he wants it.
Where's the catnip?
So I gave this frog a blueberry, and now he won't let go of it.
He loves it.
Yeah, dangerous and unpredictable.
Yeah, I'm sure he'll clinch down any second. I'm sure.
Oh my god! Clean up.
Jack said, don't backtalk. Oi.
I keep bringing you this gift. You keep throwing it away. Please keep it this time. Please keep it, please. No!
For fuck's sake.
Teddy, how wise are you? Well, Morgan, I do believe that I am very wise, you ratchet hoe, and that's for never giving me a biscuit.
Good morning, Grumpy.
Try again, Lucy.
Oh, Z, don't be so sassy.
Excuse me. All you have to do is ask.
Oh.
Do you like high fives? Because we do.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding. Way more than you hate. Oh, you mad to the good, like movie big. You can find me in the club.
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna get up.
Guys, want to come over tonight?
No.
We have a puppy?
It's working.
Holy shit. Grab, throw off, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall off. Your ass fat off.
Cats be like, "Aw, look, it's so comfortable, I could sleep right there," but no, I decided to sleep in the freaking plant.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! They see me rolling, they hating.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
This is how I kiss doggies.
Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move if you wanna just move and move. I got my eyes on you.
Ever have that feeling where you just want to roll around with a cat? Come here. Come here.
Dude, where are your glasses?
One of those drawers over there.
Oh, okay. Oh my god.
Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spins a web.
Babe, who was that girl you was talking to on the phone last night?
Oh, that was Jake from State Farm, girl. Chill.
Get off me, you liar! Babe, who was that girl you was talking to on the phone last night?
Oh, that was Jake from State Farm, girl. Chill.
Get off me, you liar!
Are you hungry? Would you like some food?
That's my shirt. Thank you. That's my shirt.
Piggyback ride.
You alright, Binks? You have a hard day at work? I know it.
Stop waving your banana in my face. I don't even want it. Whoop! Just kidding. I got it. Bloop!
If anyone ever gets mad at you, all you have to do is show them one of these. Alright.
This is what a typical day consists of for me.
That hurts. Everything you do bothers me.
This is from Jessica. This one's from Lauren. This one's from Jacob. And this one's from the dog catcher.
I'm dying back here, man. Killer vibe. One more time.
Whisper. So Kane thinks he's a freaking lap dog. I mean, really, man?
Okay. Hey, Precious. I go away for the weekend, and this is what I come back to? Way to go! They're cute.
No, get this cat out of here!
Dude, no!
Dude.
Get the... You need to get some food and, like, get the cat out of...
Oh my god!
I'm going to eat you!
I'm coming.
Hurts!
I feel like we should at least do something today.
You're right. Screw it.
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna...
There's always something they do to hedge their risk.
The private equity group?
Yeah.
Archie, do you love me? Archie, do you love Georgie? I didn't think so.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good.
She's really mad.
Oh my god.
Trooper, if you don't listen to me and go outside, I'm gonna get your leash.
Okay. You are impossible!
Hey! Good!
I just can't stop loving you. I can't. I can't. And if I stop. It's like you're my mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
So hip hop parade. Oh, hey, oh, hey.
Hey, Stu. You wanna play hide and seek? Here I come.
Ella, stop. Can I put my shoes on? Please.
Smile for the camera. Smile.
You want to be a star, don't you? More leg.
Sometimes we gotta let it go, let it go. Sometimes we gotta chase it too.
Kitty's gonna love it when I bring food to him. Kitty, I brought food for you, okay? Why are you so mean to me, Kitty?
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the down. As long as I got my suit and tie, I'ma leave it all on the floor tonight. And you got fixed up too.
Dogs would do anything for a treat.
Bang, bang. Now do my math homework.
Wish I could be part of your world.
Okay.
Hey, you guys hungry?
You wanna go outside?
Hey, can I charge my phone? Excuse me, just gonna take that. Oh, good.
Hello.
His final throw.
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
We got in, and went to make it. Take a look at what extra mile and
Celebrities.
Outside. Squirrel. Kitty. Treat.
You're gonna get neutered.
I'm watching you.
Comiendo el zapate. Pues igual que yo. ¿Y qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina?
Well, hey, kitty, what are you doing there?
You keep looking at me, I'm gonna put you in the fucking ground, I promise you. I will fucking destroy you. Make it my mission in life.
This is Cal. Say hi, Cal.
I'm Scuba Sam. Because if you want to be a member of the Scuba Squad, you have to...
Just shut up. Stop! What the fuck are you doing?
Hey buddy, are you comfortable? Are you relaxed? Maybe?
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding.
Get the puppy. Get the dog. Get the dog, Bubs.
Harvey! What you doing, boy?
Not gonna cry, are you?
High five.
You think you tough? Give me that fish. That's my fish. Give me it.
How to get your fat cat to exercise. Want a treat? Want a treat?
This happens every time I step foot in the bathroom.
Hey, how you doing, love mama? Let me whisper in your ear. Hey, how you doing, love mama? Let me whisper in your ear. When you see my dick, I'ma beat that pussy up. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Yo, I got that hit to beat the block. You can get that bass.
Stick 'em up. Bang!
Crisis if he had been elected president. Coming up here on the news at 6 o'clock.
What you doing, fool? Wiping your ass?
I don't get why y'all like my cat so much. I mean, all he does is scratch.
god, I haven't seen my cat all day. Where is he? Hello? Did I forget to feed you? What?
Can't touch this.
You don't kiss me anymore. What did I do wrong? Don't ignore me.
Get this through your head, you Jew motherfucker, you! You only exist out here because of me, motherfucker, you!
Ella, you're just a sleepy little baby, aren't you? Aren't you? Hello.
Joe.
Oh
my god!
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music.
Is that it?
Duke, stop. Stop. Stop!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
They kill you.
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. Right now, lick it good.
Why don't you guys laugh about it?
Really?
Whoa. Okay, ain't nobody fucking with my click. Click, click, click.
I need your love.
Hey there, big guy.
That's how my dog sits.
You want to say hi to all your new followers? Wave. Say hi. Wave.
What does a cat say?
How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?
Alan! 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 Al! Alan! Alan!
do? You wanna play hide and seek? Right, you hide first. Here I come.
Pikachu?
Good job. High five. Okay.
You can't touch this.
Whisper. Okay, speak.
Good boy.
The fearless feline got stuck on a telephone pole for...
I believe I can fly.
This does not make sense whatsoever.
That is not a cat.
Yes, it is.
Why is it inside out?
Kisses. Go. We're doing
Hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty.
just a great day all around. I can't.
Hello. Oh. What are you doing there? Okay. All right. Okay.
Like, what up? I got a huge bone. Nah, I'm just pumped. I got adopted to a new home. Tags on my neck that be so flossy.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
London. Hey. Hey. Oh. Whisper. No, whisper. Whisper. That's a good boy.
Fuck. Yeah. Ing. Yeah. Bird. Yeah.
What do you have to say to all the people on Vine? Hi?
Rosie, tell me about your feelings.
Banks.
You're so handsome!
I'm gonna trick him. Hey! Poop!
I said stop. I'm not gonna pose for your picture. Just kidding. How about these nuts? Jazz hands.
You wanna go outside?
So I heard a lot of noise upstairs, and this is what I found.
You've got to be kidding me.
Ella, what does the kitten say? What does the kitten say?
Wanna go for red? Was Bazoon ever cuter than she is now? I don't think so.
Meet my cat, Vinny. Vinny is weird.
You do.
I don't have a bed, but why should I care when I could sleep on this plastic bag right here?
Oh, give it kisses. I'm just kind of getting vibes.
Panda, say I love you.
Covered it with what? I covered it with cat treats. Yeah. Then guess what? What? I gave it to the cat.
I ever told you how beautiful you are?
God is great, God is good. Let us thank him for our food. Amen.
When it is really cold outside and you too poor for a hat, use your cat.
2013 NFL season.
You saw me banging on the sofa. I even had her in the shower.
Oh my god. So when my cat's in the car with me, he gets really nervous. So he lays on my shoulders and pants like a dog.
Bon Jovi, look what I got you.
Here you go. His name's Samson. I hope you like him. Hey, ow! Don't do that!
Well, don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different.
Dogs will do anything for a treat.
Spin around, spin around. Now go fix the cabinet.
That means it's time to go to the vet.
Let's see. If I were a cat, where could I lay down if I wanted to be exactly where my human didn't want me to be?
Hello.
I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different.
Are you guys loving on each other? Hey, Jules. Jules, you snuggling with Bryson?
Look, all you gotta do is walk across the line, okay? You don't have to give me your keys. Nah, you gotta give me your keys.
Dear God, what happened to your legs? Where are your legs? You're just a loaf.
Okay, this is Skylar. This is Taz. We need a name for this one, for this one, and for this one. Oh, nice doggy. Nice doggy.
Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Good girl.
Say meow.
like a zipper. As soon as I make it rain, turn to a believer. They gon' follow the leader.
Bang. I said bang. Bang.
Meow, 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 meow.
Hello?
Hey, I heard you got the new cat phone.
Yeah, it's the cat's meow.
Ella.
Ella.
Revelation of evidence, and to the extent that we have the power to prevent evidence from being false.
Do you mind if I brought a camera in here?
Sometimes I like sneaking up on Bozoon. Boo.
Sit up, wave, down, lower.
I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna take a little cat nap. Get that out of here. Take a little cat nap and I say get that shit out of here!
Got you excited.
Look back at it. Pants so big, I told her, look back at it. Look back at it. Look back at it.
Your face is so flat, you can't even keep all the food in your mouth.
It's like you're my mirror. My mirror staring back at me.
Jill, can you just give me a second?
Just lay off the Bloody Mary.
I just gotta try
Bill.
to find the drinks.
Oh,
I don't know where they're at. Stop.
Say hey to Vine.
They see me rolling, they hating, controlling and trying to catch me right.
You still love me, don't you?
What?
Abby wants you to pick the greatest tomato.
Spike loves his new hat.
Hey Fluffy, I'm gonna eat all your treats.
the dog's try to put her tongue out when I look at her? She doesn't see me. Looking. Tongue out. Looking.
Stay. Stay.
Steal! You found me.
This is how I kiss doggies.
I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
You sleeping in the boot? Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. Take it.
Hey, I got your again?
You don't like being filmed, do you? No. I know what you do like. Squirrels! Where's the squirrel?
How do you feel about the cone in your head?
Oh my gosh. Sadie, I told you to wait. I'll make you dinner.